Hey guys, today we will be celebrating my 21st birthday in a newly opened cafe here in Pagadian called Cafe Break, and they will be sponsoring our dinner for tonight. Just so you know, it's not yet my birthday, it's still on the next month, and if any of you can guess it, I will be giving you a prize. The clue is I'm an Irish baby. Anyway, I just celebrated it in advance as I will be flying somewhere else, but I'm so grateful to the sponsors for their generosity and making this event even more special. Oh, by the way, this cassava chips is one of Mindanao's delicacy, perfect for pasalubongs to your friends or your family. If you guys are interested, link on my bio. And this obanyaki pancake that went viral na umabot ng Luzon at Visayas, but unfortunately, Mindanao pa lang yung mga branch nila. Hi, kung pwede nyo lang sana to matikman through screen. The birthday cake was given to me from Garcia Dental Clinic, one of the best dentists here in Pagadian, and if ever you get the chance to try their services, rest assured that you are going to be in for a great experience. We have another cake here, which is a cupcake that is made by Ohana Food Hub, but it's much more easier to distribute to my guests. And guys, they make the best mango cream cake, no cap. Honestly, this still feels so surreal because this was a last-minute decision since I had no plan celebrating my birthday yet, and I think that tonight was the perfect night since everybody's free and I've invited a few of my friends over for a simple birthday dinner, and while waiting for our food, we played games like Who Knows Me Better and Kahoot, we made TikTok videos, and lastly, we also had a raffle night which was so fun. When our order was complete, it was finally time to eat, and I got myself beef salpicao. My friends got lemon pepper steak and pork asanas, which was one of their best sellers. Right after dinner, they sang me a happy birthday song and we drank some wine, took some pictures, and so sayang that they don't have available coffee at the moment because some of my friends don't drink alcohol, but that's fine. Anyway, that's it for today and thank you for watching. Bye!